Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jessie if you're new here, and today I have a Dollarama haul for you. Hey! I went to the Dollarama because we're having some friends over for the Super Bowl, plus we needed some miscellaneous items. That was the purpose of my trip, and I got a little extra, of course, as I always do when I go to the Dollarama. I'm here to show you what I got. Before we get into this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I do lots of fashion, DIY, and lifestyle content, and I have so much fun over here, and I would love if you would join. After you do that, you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I post more frequently over there. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so I just have my bag in front of me and I'm going in no particular order. First item, paper towel. Really exciting. Yeah, we don't use a ton of paper towel, but we like to have it in the house. So we just get one roll at a time, or like the 2-pack sometimes. So this was $1.25. What a steal. Love it. Okay. This is fun. I got some napkins for our Super Bowl gathering, and I wanted to get like sports themed or like football themed, but they didn't have any, so it was either like these cute unicorns, or I could have gone with a plain color, and I just thought these were really cute. Thought we should get them, because when else am I gonna have the chance to buy unicorn napkins? Love that. To go with our unicorn napkins, I just got these blue/teal colored plates because we're kind of having like a potluck, so don't want to be cleaning dishes forever, so I got these and I thought they looked cute together. Love. Okay, this is kind of cool actually. So we always get our dish soap from the dollar store just because, I don't know, it's cheap and good. But we saw that the Dollarama started carrying the Method, and Jordan's mom really likes this brand, so we thought we would give this a shot. And it smells like lemongrass. Oh, and it's plant-based grease cutting power. So love that. It smells really good. And just before this video, I was actually tried it out cleaning the dishes, and it got like really soapy. Seemed like it was cleaning the dishes really well, so love this. This was $4, and I like the packaging. I think it looks really good. Okay, these are fun. Almost weekly, I've been making these like peanut butter energy balls, and normally we put Reese's Pieces in them or M&ms. So I picked up these mini M&ms because that's what the recipe actually calls for. I'm really excited. Normally one batch of them takes like 1 tube of these exactly. So these were like $1.25 each, and it's like something that's kind of hard to find when you go in the grocery store, so I wanted to pick up a couple packs just to have it in the cupboard so I could make my energy bite. And usually I make a double batch, so I probably should have got another one because like this will be one batch. But anyways, excited to have these. Love it. Okay, this is kind of random. Lately we've been doing the online Walmart grocery order, and we ordered almond milk, but they didn't have any, or like they didn't have like the kind we ordered, so normally they'll do a substitute, but I must have clicked no substitution for this. At the dollar store, I actually noticed that they had carry almond milk, and this was like, I think it was only like $3 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, this was $2.25, which is I think really cheap. I think normally this in the grocery store is at least $4, if not like $3 or $3 something. So $2.25 for this. I was really impressed, and it's just the unsweetened silk, so you can't go wrong with that. Okay, and the next item I got are these Clue recycling bags. We just always pick them up here and we were running low, so 10 of those. All right, and then we got these scrubbing sponges. We had these before and we're starting to run out. We use these for like cleaning. Yeah, love that.
This was really good, but I'm full.
I know, I had to keep like half of mine in the fridge.
I can't finish that. I had the chicken and...
I know, it's really filling.
Can I just add mine to yours?
Next in my little baggie, I got these cashews. I already opened them because I'm planning to make a salad with these, so love that. Cashews. Okay, and then I got this wand for washing dishes. We get these all the time, and yeah, just because they break and we'll just throw them out and we need a new one. So we wash our dishes with this. We love it. Really easy. If you don't have one of these, what are you doing? And then, ooh, I'm really excited about these. These are dinosaur gummies. I don't know, like, I just love like a little gummy. And these ones look really fresh. Like, you can always tell in the package, like, they look like they're old or not. These look so fresh, and yeah, can you go wrong with getting dinosaur gummies? I don't think so. And I think I'm gonna put these out when we have our friends over for the Super Bowl. And I'm also gonna put these out. They're just like Reese's Pieces with the peanuts inside them. So I got those for Sunday. And then I got this little chocolate kiss for Valentine's Day. And then I also got some cards for Valentine's Day. Well, that is everything in my Dollarama haul today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below your favorite item from this haul. I know it's gonna be hard to choose because I got a lot of good stuff. But anyways, if you guys haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.